This is Ian from Lean Media. I'm going to quickly show you a way to make sure that your online invoices issued by QuickBooks Online contain a link to pay it online. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it, follow me, let's get started. So for a while, earlier last summer, I had a problem where I'd be sending invoices to people. It would show the amount, but it wouldn't have a link or a button to press that the client or the customer could pay the invoice online. And this was a big problem. I actually had to shift all of my invoicing to PayPal until I figured out what was wrong. What you need to do, go to QBO Online, and you need to make sure that these following two steps are followed. The first thing is go to Accounts and Settings. There's a gear icon in the upper right corner. Click on that and then select Sales. You'll come to this page. So the first thing that you need to do, which I did, is have invoice payments. Make sure that you're accepting the options that you can use to process payments. So credit cards, ACH, PayPal, etc. The second thing you need to do, where it says Online Delivery, open that up. It says email options for all sales forms. You'll see that there's a couple things you need to select. One is show full details in email. You want that. The second thing you need is additional email options for invoices. If it says HTML, select the dropdown and then make sure it says online invoice. You need to have online invoice and then you need to save it. Because if you don't save it, basically what it means is when the client or the customer receives the invoice, it'll look like what I just showed you. It'll look like this. And then your client will say, hey, wait, I can't pay it online. What's up with that? So this is the way to fix it. Make sure you go to Accounts and Settings, Sales, and then make sure that the invoice payments are selected as on. And then secondly, make sure that online delivery, email options for all sales forms, make sure it says online invoice. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.